Hi friends, welcome to another unboxing and review. Today, checking out the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 Creator Combo. So tired of recording on your phone all the time? The phones work, but they do have a couple of downsides, or not as many upsides as something like this. So we got some instructions in there. Silicone gel, don't eat that. Okay. Check out the case. First off, guys, that's really sick. Very small and compact also. Like that a lot. Oh, it is small. It is tiny. It looks like my camera on my drone, which takes excellent. This is capable of 4K at 120 frames per second. We have our little screen here too, which can be rotated either way so you can see what's recording. Oh, look at that. Look at that gimbal on that thing. It's like a chicken head. Always the same way. So you know it's going to be super steady. Okay. Wow. DJI Mic. Very cool. Has a little clip on there. Goes right on your shirt. It has the USB-C thing on there. And it looks like it hooks into the bottom. Okay, we have another one. This is a battery one, and this is just maybe a regular one that allows it to charge. Everything on here looks like it's USB-C, which is pretty much a standard now, so you don't have to worry about switching to USB-A, USB-C. Oh, look at that. Sick little tripod. Very cool. These on the bottom, we have the little screws there. So those will go on all your normal tripod mounts. I have a different one that I use for taller ones, but this little guy go right on there. Look at that. Super cool. Locks in there. I really like the little DJI locking mechanisms here. So this one is a push of a button to release it. So that releases the little side clips there. So that naturally just hook on there. So very sweet. And then we have, of course, a little lanyard for your device. Here's our little spot for our lanyard too. If you're holding it, you don't want, and it falls, you know, keep it on your wrist. Very good idea. Two USB-C charging cable. All right, everything fits very nicely in this compact little case. I really like that. If I'm going somewhere and I need to do some filming, just grab this and you're ready to go. You don't need a bunch of bulky stuff like that. And then, well, I have my phone on here. So device name, scan the QR code to download DJI Mimo and connect to camera unit to activate. Okay, so we're gonna do that. I like how this little fuzzy guy just goes right in over the top here. That makes it a lot easier. The one I have for this, it's really hard to put on. You gotta stretch it on, put it over there. This little guy just goes right on there. I'm super impressed to try this out. So what I'm gonna do, since I'm recording on my phone, that's another thing. Every time I need to use my phone for an app or something like that, I don't have it. So look at this little thing. It's like alive, it's alive, it's alive. So I have to, my phone is what I record with normally, and I'd have to, if I want to use it to record while I'm doing an app or something like that, then I have to switch to my old broken phone. So this thing is probably going to be my go-to for recording. Easy to see why this thing is legit. Oh, wait a second. My goodness. In the little tiny baggie, there's a magnet, so we could just clip this on. Like if you don't want to put it on there, it just goes on your shirt wherever you want to. And there was another little thing right here. Ah, there it is. So that is the wide angle lens right here. This little guy, 0.75 by 15 mm. Look at that. It's like a little like fisheye lens there, I think. Does that just go on there? Come here, little guy. Is that just, oh. Look at that. Check that. That's so cool. It just goes right on there with a magnet. So very sweet. Good thing I saw that because there's little tiny pockets in there. So make sure you guys check all your little pockets in there. So this goes on there. Once it's off, just put this in face down. So just goes the top part in first, and then just lock that in like that. And your little microphone can go right up here on the top, just like that. So very convenient if you do drop it or something like this. This case is gonna protect it. So easy to carry stuff all at once. I like how simple it is to switch these in and out if you wanted the battery or the other little charger thing. It's super simple, works great. Plug this into your computer, and it's going to ask you on the screen, hey, do you want to download files or whatever? Like, you just flip the switch, it turns it on, flip the screen. You want to turn it off, you can do it with that too. Just flip the screen, turns off in 2 seconds. I really like the face tracking on this, moving back and forth. It's going to follow you where you're at. It's just really phenomenal. I'm super impressed with that. Like, the screen is super sensitive too, so you want to switch between either filming away from you or filming yourself. And then you can also on the buttons on here, hey, I want to switch it's very intuitive. So like the camera mode here, you're going to click that and you can switch from all the different ones. It's got video, photo. So you just switch over here. You got panorama, photo, video, low light, slow-mo, and then time lapse. So we got all these. It's very easy to switch back and forth, as you can see. Very intuitive. This camera is excellent. I highly recommend it here. So we can also switch to get the zoom in, zoom out, the switch camera around. It shows the battery life, the SD card, everything on there is really cool. Yeah, the pictures it takes, I've been basically filming all my videos now with this. The microphone is phenomenal. It's just excellent. The picture qualities are really good as well. Just super impressed. I'm gonna throw up a bunch of different types of films here real quick from this, show you guys that, but just overall super impressive with this, guys. It's just, I like the face tracking, everything. Look at this, just like follows you around. Just very, very impressive. All right, so whether you were taking pictures close up, you can see the quality of these is very high resolution, excellent quality for sure. And then we have the panoramic view here. The panoramic one is pretty cool. What it does is takes 9 separate photos and then it stitches them all together. So here we have the 9 photos right here that took at the ocean. And then it stitches them all together into this one little photo right here. You can see it just like includes everything. So just a really big view. Excellent. Here we have a normal photo, and then I did the 2x zoom on here, and you can see it zooms in pretty good. All right, testing out the low light video function. Here I am in the garage. Just have the door barely cracked, so it's pretty dark in there. I can barely see. But even though there's almost no light, it worked great. The slow-mo feature is definitely one I'm going to be using for a lot of my videos. You can see it's just a tremendous quality, really high resolution, and it's just pretty phenomenal, actually. So you can really use this. I went by probably about 30, 40 miles an hour right there, and this thing speeding up. Just I look at the quality of like the rocks and stuff tumbling by. Just like I really like the slow-mo feature for highlighting things. I mean, look at the little rocks just like flipping by. Just excellent quality. You can just make out almost every single rock. It's just really nice. Kind of got my camera a little dusty there though. I'm testing this microphone out in the wind here. We can see we're at the ocean, and you know the ocean's always pretty windy. So normally, if I'd be out in the wind here, it'd just be a bunch of static, a lot of. So we're gonna just see how this is performing right now. Pretty windy day out here. All right, so this filming is obviously done with the DJI camera here. And we have the face follow on this, which is really nice. I mean, look at this, it just automatically tracks. The gimbal on here is crazy. No matter how, it moves pretty quickly as well. The face tracking on here is excellent. This is definitely my new go-to for filming. So I was using my phone before, and messed with some of the settings because I was trying to record a television and it was all wonky. Then I kind of buggered up my settings anyways. So a bunch of advantages with this Pocket camera over like the phone and things like that is, first of all, I can see my recordings. It's very steady. I have it on its own little tripod right now, so just sitting there. I like the microphone is the best microphone I've ever used. It is excellent quality. I like how this just snaps into the top. It's nothing difficult to put on. You can start your recording just from here, just press the button. It's very intuitive. It gives a little vibrate when it turns on and off, so you know that's on. I like the screen on here. I can see, hey, my microphone's working because I can see the line on the top there. Very intuitive. I like how I can just flip the screen over on here too. Just one touch button turns the camera around. Very nice features, excellent quality. I can stream at 4K, 120 frames per second, which is insane. I'm just so impressed with this. It's an excellent piece of technology. As far as, I mean, this was definitely going to be my go-to from now on for all my unboxings and probably most of my other video content, just because the sound quality is so good. The video quality is excellent as well. I don't have to worry about messing with, you know, lighting, sensors. It's automatically just going to pick the best scenarios for me and just make a nice video. It's very intuitive. It shows my battery life. If I had any complaints, I would just say it didn't come with an SD card, and you got to make sure you get a good one, because I bought one. I just went down to Walmart and I bought one, and it was a little, because this records at such high frame rate and data, you need kind of a nice one. So that's just the only complaint, which isn't really a complaint actually. Nothing bad to say actually about the camera. It's just so intuitive. I can just plug in the battery. When I'm downloading my videos to my PC for editing, boom, I can just plug it in. It recognizes it right away. What can I say, guys? It's just phenomenal. I'm really liking the DJI products so far, the two that I've reviewed. Just phenomenal. I did figure out the little case here too. So this came with the little zoom lens, and that can just go right here in your case. It's like a little magnet on there, and that just holds it. And your DJI little magnet, if you want your clip on your shirt to be magnetized, or not magnet. What am I saying? Okay, if you want to hold your microphone on your shirt anywhere with a magnet, and that can just be done like behind your shirt and put it on there. But that all goes in there conveniently, and it's just a nice little carry case for your Pocket 3, which is, I mean, it's very cool. When you set it in there, turn off, the little camera turns around, tucks its little head in, and goes in there for protection. And yeah, guys. If you are looking for like the next level of basically audio and recording, making it so much easier, you can flip the screen. If you want to do the vertical or horizontal, just flip the screen. It's so easy to use. The touch of a button to record. You can, has a little mouse pad on there, or the little pad on there. You can zoom in, zoom out, change the directions a little bit if you wanted to look up or down a little bit more. You can do the face tracking if you want to. Or you can have it still focus on a certain object and things like that. So it's very intuitive. The touchscreen is very responsive. Guys, I highly recommend this this camera. It is excellent. As you can see, the quality is phenomenal. The audio is exceptional. And what more can I say? If you guys want to check it out, I'm going to link this in the description below. Thanks so much for watching this review. Losing my voice. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you next time.